Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Welcome to our annual science performance in Siliwangi High School. Today we'll see science chemistry that combine creativity, scientific thinking, and observation skills.
That's right. Each team has prepared their own research project with a clear explanation, with a creative and careful experiment design and scientific explanation. So we have two groups ready to show. Now let's start with Team A. So for Team A, please come to the stage.
Good morning, we are Team A and our project is called a colorful bubbling lava reaction. First, we prepare all the materials, a clear glass, a vinegar, food coloring, cooking oil, and flashlight from smartphone, and baking soda. Then, next we pour a baking soda into the glass until it is about 1/3 full. Then we pour a little cooking oil into the glass. Then in another glass we pour a vinegar and add a few drops of food coloring. And we stir the vinegar and food coloring until mixed. Now we place the lamp or flashlight under the glass to make it glow. Looks the bubbles start to rise and move through the oil. It looks like colorful glowing lava lamp.
Because a vinegar is an acid and baking soda a base. So the reaction produces carbon dioxide gas, which forms bubbles, move up and down in the oil.
Very good. And the lamp is glow like a real lava with a creative touch. It's an presentation from Team A. And now we have the next group for Team B. Please come to the stage.
Thank you, judges. Hello, judges. We are going to and our project is called color separating reaction. So for today's project, we present a bottle of color soda like Fanta and also some bleach, which contains sodium hypochlorite. And for the first step, we want to pour the color soda into a clear glass so everyone can see. The color soda is bright red color. It's a red color, and then we slowly add some bleach into a soda. Watch carefully. to be careful with the smells. And then, yeah, look, the color is starting to blend.
The bliss right with something in the soda. The color and its make the liquid clear. This is a chemical reaction that remove color. It's like the soda becomes dirty. That's the result. The soda turns clear. The color is gone and the liquid flow like water now. Thank you.
Wow, that's really fascinating. It's actually becoming colorless. Thank you for Team D. Now it's time for our question and answer session. Let's see how clever our young scientists can understand their experiments.
Okay, let's start with group A first. Can you explain what happens when you mix baking soda and vinegar?
Sure. When we mix baking soda and vinegar, a chemical reaction occurs. It produces carbon dioxide gas, which creates bubbles and foam. And that's why we see that squeezing effect.
Wow, nice. And why did you add oil and food coloring to the mixture?
We added oil and coloring to make it look more colorful and to show the bubble movement clearly. The oil stays on top and the bubbles move through it. So it looks like a rubber lamp.
Okay, so what kind of reaction is this?
It's an acid-based reaction. When vinegar and baking soda, vinegar is an acid, baking soda is a base. When they react, they form salt, water, and carbon dioxide gas.
Alright, that's enough. And it's a good explanation and good job with Team A.
Now let's move on to the Team B. Can you explain exactly what happens when you mix the bleach with the soda?
It's like the color disappear. The soda turns clear.
So what kind of reaction is this? Oxidation, neutralization, or something else?
Maybe neutralization? Neutralization? Are you sure? What are the products of this reaction?
We don't know exactly.
And why did you choose among ingredients, bleach and soda? That's extremely simple. Young beginners should know more in this mixing liquid.
We thought it would be easy and safe to solve in formula.
Safe is good, but science requires understanding. Can you describe what happens at the molecular level?
We just observe the color change.
And what about the chemical formula or the type of non-broken? Can you explain why the color or dye molecules disappear?
Formula? I think you cannot answer the reaction even though the experience first. Yeah, bleach and soda is very simple materials. Even the basic experiment should be understood clearly. Why couldn't you predict or explain the result during the trial?
We just want to show the visual.
Observation is important, but understanding the reaction is the key to science. So it's not just about what we see.
What gives a compound is released? What happens if the concentration is high? Can you explain the application with it?
Alright, that's enough. And thank you for your effort for the demonstration. You clearly observed something interesting, but next time understand your experiment fully. And you have to understand what's going on behind it, even if it's simple.
Well done everyone. Today we saw some very creative experiments from the bubbling lava to the disappearing soda colors.
So the thing showed really first. Remember, in science it is not just about the perfect result, but it is about observing, experimenting, and from the mistakes. We have to learn from mistakes and from what happened.
Congratulations to all participants.